just love, you know.
Let's take it from our hearts and spread it wide.
Gotta bring this one out for my brothers and sisters, my neighbors.
We got a long road ahead.
Yeah.
Pull together, we can do this.
It's a Caribbean collaboration.
All my brothers and sisters, let the love flow, let the love show.
We gotta speak the stars. It's all about strength. Let's rise. Life, pressure, struggle, strain. Must stand together, let us shoulder the pain. Me can't dare witness blood a run down the drain. Me can't stand helpless and a half a ear.
No, I would never ever turn and walk away. When we stop and take a good look in your face. No time for waste. If I ain't my brother's keeper, I'm his enemy, so now I got to search and I'm a soul deeper.
How can I stop my heart from breaking? What can I do to ease the pain? How can I stop the earth from shaking? Searching for strength to keep me sane.
What can we do to make it better? Is it too late for us to try?
Now I rethink the things I treasure. A fragment of hope is in these eyes. We shall rise again.
We shall rise and spread our wings once again.
We shall rise again.
With the help from our brothers and our friends.
We shall rise again.
We've done it before, now we can do it once again.
We shall rise again.
Little bit of help from our family and friends.
A moment of change and now we're spinning. The warning is sent, no reason why.
We gather our strength and we all are willing.
Pull together now
To do what it takes to save some lives. Oh no, no.
Tragedy came and really gave us a chance to show we really care. We're one and the same, we are neighbors. The burden is all for us to bear. We shall rise again.
Oh, Jacques, shall we rise again?
We shall rise again. We shall rise again.
We shall rise again, coming from the bottom. Come together and let's solve the problem. Problem. Everybody got them, but them I make the money so they don't wanna solve it. In the days and the nights we'll fall, but I know we'll carry on. Now it's time for us to stay strong. So let's come together.
We shall rise.